Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will write a program to print inverted right angled triangle star pattern in Python. So we will try to print this pattern in Python. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So first, I will add a comment here. So the comment is set the number of rows for the pattern. So first we have to set the numbers of rows. So I will declare a variable named rows in which I have stored 5. As in our pattern, here is 5 rows. And then I will start an outer loop that will start from rows and decrease to 1. So I will write here for I in range, rows goes till 0 and decrement by 1. So here as I have write -1, so this will decrease the loop by 1 after every iteration. So next I will print I times in each row, star I times in each row. So for that I will write here for j in range. Here I will write I in bracket so that it will run I times. Then I will print star, and this end will use to add stars to the same line. Here I have also commented out. So next I will write here print. So this will move the cursor to the next line after printing all stars in the current row. So this is program to run, or can say print, this pattern. So let's run it. So here you can see the same pattern gets printed here. So have a look at it again. So I will explain you this again. So first I have taken a variable which is named rows, in which I have taken 5 as we have 5 rows. Then I have started an outer loop starting from rows and goes till 0 and decrement by 1. So first this loop will run for 5 times as we have 5 rows. So this will print 5 stars and this will get decrement by 1. So this will print 4 star and then decrement by 1 again, then will print 3 stars, and at the end this will print this pattern in Python. So this is how you can print this pattern in Python. Also, I have made some other videos on these patterns. You can also check those videos. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.